the quiet listening method. In stage 3, you will learn the quiet listening method to boost your active listening skills. Question. Q stands for questioning. When the person stops speaking, you can ask questions that can help you better understand the person. Asking questions also shows the person that you are interested in listening to them. Ask open-ended questions like, "What do you plan to do?" or "How do you feel about it?" Avoid asking questions that give a one-word answer like, "Do you want to do this?" Avoid asking the why question. Asking them why make them think that you do not understand what they have said to you. Understand. U stands for understanding. Showing the person that you are listening takes more than nods. You will need to summarize what you heard to the person. You can do this by condensing what you have heard so far into a single sentence. People want their feelings to be known. You can do this by letting the person know what they are feeling. For example, you can say, "You are frustrated because the group did not accept your ideas." I statement. I statement is a method to let the person know what your opinion is. Stating your personal feelings and thoughts can create a mutual understanding between the two of you. Examples of how to use the I statement is, "I feel sad when I hear what you said." Or, "I would feel hurt too if that happened." Expression. Expression is showing the person that you're listening using small gestures. You can express it by nodding, smiling, frowning, or saying words like "wow" or "oh my." These gestures, though small, play a large role in helping the person open up. The last thing you want to do is yawn or have no facial expressions when listening. Truth. Truth is what you are after when active listening. People may sometimes speak in circles or say things that do not match their body language. If you sense that the person is not getting to the point, you can use questions to ask them to clarify. For example, "What will really make things right for you?" Or, "What do you really want from the group?" Go to your buddy and practice the quiet method in the next few slides.